Hi guys, my name is Amanda, and in the St. Cloud community, you have 5 different floor plans to choose from. The base price starts in the 418s. It's 1 story, and you have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,828 square feet. There's a closet for all of your coats that you need desperately here in Florida. Just kidding. And then you have a full-size bathroom and your first bedroom. If you're looking for a quick move-in, there are a few available in this floor plan, starting at $422,990. We have your second bedroom. Love the color on the walls, very nice with the black or maybe dark brown, but it looks great together. You have your closet over here in the corner. And then we come back out to the foyer where you have the main part of the home. A linen closet across from your bathroom. This would be your garage. You have a 2-car garage currently being used as a sales office. And your third bedroom. And closet. Here you have your laundry space. And then we come into your kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops included. You have the pantry space. This community is conveniently located just off the Florida Turnpike. You do have your dining next to your covered lanai. The living room's about 15 by 16 feet. And then last, you have your primary bedroom suite. If you have kids, they would be zoned for Narcoossee Elementary, Narcoossee Middle, and Harmony High School. Your amenities include a resort-style pool. In Cabana, there's a playground, and you have direct access to Narcoossee Rd and 417. So you're close to Lake Nona Medical City, dining and shopping, and about 25 minutes to the airport. Feel free to send me a text or give me a call for more information. My name is Amanda Haynes, and I hope to talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.